Hello learners, I welcome you once again to Self-Learn channel where mathematics is made simpler and curriculum is implemented. I would like us to continue with our binary operation by looking at a sample question. Given that A operated on B is equal to A squared plus B squared minus AB and 5 operated on Y is equal to 19, find the possible values of Y. So to solve this, we need to substitute whatever is given to us here, 5 operated on Y, into this expression. So doing that, it means our A is now 5 and our B is now Y. So substituting that into this expression, we have 5 squared plus y squared minus 5 times y, as you can see in this expression. And in the question we said 5 operated on y is equal to 19. So we are going to equate this expression to 19. So this is what we have here: 5x squared plus y squared minus 5y is equal to 19, because negative 5 multiplied by y will give us 5y. Right, so 5 squared is 25, and then we have this equal to 19. Right, so simplifying further, we want to equate everything here to 0. So I subtracted 19 from both sides. So we have 19 minus 19, that gives us 0. And then 25 minus 19. Right, so simplifying further, we have y squared minus 5y plus 6 equals 0. Right, so this is quadratic equation. Those of you who are now getting into senior high school may not know much about this. So this quadratic equation, and how do we solve this? We want to make sure that we get two numbers. When we add it, it will give us negative 5y, and then when we multiply, we get positive 6. So the two numbers are negative 2 and negative 3, right? So we group that, and by grouping, you have y squared minus 2y into bracket minus 3y plus 6 into bracket equals 0. Right, so we factor out common factors, right? So these two terms has y in common, so you put r outside the bracket and then we put y minus 2 in, so that when we multiply or we expand the bracket, we get this back, right? So we do same to this side as well. And we write the numbers outside the bracket with the sign together and take one of the brackets. So we realize that the content in the first bracket is the same as the content in the second bracket, so we take one of them. Right, so we equate the first bracket to 0 and we look for y, and the y is equal to 3, and we equate the second bracket to 0 and we find the value of y, which is equal to 2. Now, for us to know that these are the real value of y, we can substitute it into this equation, right? So doing that, we can put in place of y in this equation, we are going to put 2 there. So this will be 25 plus y is 3, so 3 squared is going to give us 9 minus 5 multiplied by 3, right? So we have 25 plus 9, that is going to give us 34 minus 15, right? So minus 15, we are going to get 19, right? So 19. So it means the value of y is truly 3. Let's try for 2 as well. 25 plus 2 square will give us 4 minus 5 multiplied by 2. So this will give us 29. 29 minus 10, which is also equal to 19. So the values for y are 3 and 2. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you learning with me with my next video. Bye bye.